How to log in to HSBC Bank Online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your HSBC USA account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and at the top search bar, type in login HSBC Bank USA. As you do so, you would see HSBC Bank USA at the first search result. Click onto the option that says Log On. As you do so, you will get landed onto this page. Here, you are required to enter your username. Enter your username at the box below. Once you do all that, click on to Continue. In case you would like this site to remember your username, check the box that says Remember Me. But in case you have forgotten your username, click on to Forgot Username and get help resetting your account. But if you don't have an account to get started, click on to Not Registered and from there, you can create yourself a personal HSBC USA account. Once you do all that, at the next page, you will be required to enter your password. And after you do so, click on to log in. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your HSBC USA account, and this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.